Well, the rock is finally being delivered. It is going to take more than initially thought. And that's open too much. So the first part where the water came in was right here, crossed over, took out rock here. Luckily it only moved it to here, so not too bad. But where it really gets bad is, okay, it starts taking rock out here and here. I mean, there's no rock here, it's back to dirt. All this rock is gone. This is still not the bad part. I mean, even though it sucks. Sorry, trying to make it in one quick video. So more water crossed over here, took out all this. We're now back down to dirt. Big river down the middle. Removed all that. Flung a little bit over here to the right, but you can see the main part of it is a blowout here. And then off to the other side, water was coming down. I was already starting to move some rock here. Pushed it out there. Big cut here. Still not to the bad part, worst part. Water flooding over here. All this rock is being moved. Total blowout. This is where you made that first cut. And you can see all my rock all down here. And there's more down, further down, but that's the worst of it.